Hey, if for some reason you cannot actually open the YouTube application on your Android device, let me show you how you can try to fix this. So first of all, I can show you a very simple method. So you'll have to go into the settings of your phone, and when you are on the main settings, you have to go to the all apps. Then from here, click to see all apps and find YouTube. Now select YouTube application and tap to force stop and click OK. Now let's try if it works. If it doesn't work, I can recommend you to go for the storage and the cache and tap to clear cache and also clean the storage. So tap to delete, remove everything, and now try to open it one more time. If it doesn't work still, you can go back from this one, and I will recommend you to go into the Play Store and now check if you have the latest version of the YouTube app. So search for the YouTube and now be sure that it is updated to the latest version. If you have the latest version, you can also try the new version by going into the Google Chrome, and from here you have to type YouTube APK file download. So search for it. That's the APK Pure website and APK mirror. I can recommend you to go for this one. Now just scroll down and get one of this version. So to download, you have to select the download button. Now scroll down, go into the download APK file. Click on the X to close all of these ads and tap to download and again. And when you finish with this download, click on the application and tap to update your YouTube app. And now tell me if it works. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.